ukuphepha emgwaqeni akona umsebenzi kahulumeni kuphela. Nathi siney'bopho njengohulumeni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi iy'ngqalasizinda lesiza kusebenza, ubukhona bamaphoyisa njalo njalo kuyenzeka nokuholela kwawo ngendlela efanele. Kodwa isibopho esikhulu sikubashayeli nabasebenzisi bomgwaqo okuyibona abenza ukuthi sibe ney'ngozi bephuza beshayela, bephuza behamba ngey'nyawo. Sinenselelo yokuthi kubantu abashonayo emgwaqeni yakithi u-45% wabantu abahamba ngey'nyawo. Lwela lengafanele bawele khona, iy'ndawo zokwela zikhona. Ubudedengu esibubonayo ukuthi bashayele ngendlela ey'ngafanele, ney'moto ezingekho esimweni sokuthi zibe semgwaqeni. Ingakho nje sinokubambisana ney'nhlangano zomphakathi, sinokubambisana nazo zonke izinhla zikahulumeni ukusuka kuzwelonke ney'fundazwe kanye nomasipala ukuqinisekisa ukuthi amaphoyisa omthetho azowenza ngendlela efanele umsebenzi. Ungqongqoshe uChris uthi ngomhla ka-30 kuNovemba abesethula uhlelo oluphelele oludidiyele lokuthi sizobe senzani ngalesi sikhathi samaholidi. Kodwa isiqinisekise esifuna ukusikhipha ukuthi ukubopha ikona okuseqhulwini. Abantu abazobe benza izinto ezingafanele, abaphuza beshayela, abaphuza bahambe ngey'nyawo, abaney'moto ezingekho esimweni, abanamathikithi abangawakhokhela. Uma uzazi ukuthi unecala noma unenjongo yokwenza into engaqondene nomthetho emgwaqeni, kulindele ukuboshwa. Yona kumele esiyade sowukhipha namhlanje njengoba kade sihlangene namaphoyisa aseMpumalanga. Eseyizathu zokuthi lesifundazwe sikhathazeke ngaso ukuthi siyisifundazwe sithwele umthamo omkhulu wey'moto, ikakhulukazi njengoba sazi ukuthi iMozambique neseSwatini bangomakhelwane, okuney'nkomba zokuthi khona nokuhamba kwama-truck njalo njalo. Bese kuba khona-ke nokuhamba nje kwamaholidi okujwayelekile abantu beyaKwaZulu Natal. Ngakho-ke u-N12 no-N4 eminye yemigwaqo esobe siyigade ngeso lokhozi kula maholidi. Kodwa nje sifuna ukusho ukuthi ungabhayizeli emgwaqeni, ukubopha ikona into esobe siyenza ngempela, ngoba siyabona ukuthi uma singathathi iy'nyathelo ey'qinile ney'qatha abantu bazoqhubeka benze izinto ezingafanele eziwubudedengu.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. We are here at Mbombela intersection. We just emerged from the meeting where we call a roll call for all our traffic law enforcement in the Mpumalanga, both the province and also the Department of Public Works and municipalities to come together in making sure, and SAPs to come together in making sure that indeed we approach this season where this is a show of strength to say to our people, we are going to work with them. Let them comply with our laws of our road. Let them behave. We call for tolerance amongst themselves because we are sharing this road between ourselves as motorists and those who are trekking along the road, also the cyclists. All of us, we must come together and share the responsibility in making sure that we save life. We call for tolerance. We call for discipline in our road. We urge our traffic officers that those who are going to misbehave during this time and beyond, they must deal with them decisively so. They must apply the rule of the law. We want to call our people of Mpumalanga and also the visitors from Mpumalanga to come and enjoy. They are safe. We promise them safe in our province. This is a province that has a lot of tourist attraction destination in our province. You can go to your Sudwala, everywhere that you want, your Kruger National Park, or they must come and enjoy Mpumalanga. We are ready on the road. Our motorists and our people, let's come to work together as a collective. We are not going to abdicate the responsibility to anyone. This is our responsibility as a collective in making sure that indeed we save life.
No, thank you very much. Ukuthi sibe lapha kulo msebenzi lomkhulu webhayi MEC for Community Safety and Liaison ubaba uJack Masia invite i-district which is having 4 local municipalities, that is Mbombela, Nkomazi and Bushbuckridge and the Thaba-Chweyo. Injongo yanamuhla ukuthi sobuka i-state of the readiness as we are approaching the festive season. We are therefore here to support the program of the MEC so that isikhone ukufundisa ama-drivers ethu lapha emgwaqweni ukuthi ba-drive safe, and uma bahamba ama-distance bakhona ukuthi baphumule lapho kufanele baphumule khona and bangathwali imithwalo eminingi, nokubheka nje imoto zabo ukuthi zi-roadworthy. Abanye siyazi bathatha ama-chance ngalesikhathi bahambe baphuza ama-cold drink angafanele ukuthi baphuze like ama-beer and other stuff endleleni. So siyawakhonshathayiza onke ama-road users ethu ukuthi bakhone ukubeketelelana emgwaqweni ukuze bafike emakhaya ba safe. Siyazi ukuthi isikhathi lesimanje lapho abantwana bayawuvala and then nabanye babuye emsebenzini baye emakhaya. So we wish everybody Christmas all safe nokuthi bonke ama road users ethu afike ekhaya aphephile. That is our main objective today where we esinayo lana kulo mcimbi wanamuhla.
Sibonga kakhulu ngumfundisi Mthali, chairperson ye-Moral Regeneration Movement la ku province yakithi eMpumalanga. Sihlanganyelelana Department of Safety ekutheni sibuke na umsebenzi omkhulu nakangaka lo wendekako ukuthi njengoba siya ku festive season sikhuthatane sibashayeli singilabo labahamba ngetinyawo ukuthi kumele umthetho wemigwaqo siwubuke kumele ukuthi sihloniphane endleleni kumele ukuthi satisane ukuthi sonke sibantu impilo yethu ibalekile ngakho ke sibone ukuhle ukuthi nathi sito supporta ukuze ukuthi similo sibe khona bashayeli kulabo labahamba ngetinyawo noma bonke nje labasebenzisa umgwaqo esikhathini se-festive season. Siyathandaza ukuthi ingoti tehle, siyathandaza ukuthi bubi bonke buphele kuze ukuthi wonke umuntu aphephe athokote nami konke kube sesimweni. Ngiyabonga.
As a business fraternity, especially the bus industry, transport industry, sidlala inzima lenkulu kakhulu. Thina la eBasco silayisha about 180,000 passengers a day, and ibhasi yinye ikhona layisha 158 passengers, ikhona layisha 138 passengers. Nangabe asinaki isafety yinye ibhasi nje ingaba ne-accident bese kuba nemiphefumulo leminingi lelahlekako. Nangabe imiphefumulo ilahleki, bantu abaye emsebenzini, bantu abafika emsebenzini ngesikhathi, singala ku-economy nekuphepha kwema-passengers neku-enhancer basebenzi ukuthi abantu bangalahlekelwa umsebenzi, abafike ngesikhathi, baphinde babuyele ekhaya ngesikhathi, baphinde baphephe, baphinde babe comfortable labala emabhasini ukuthi bakhone ukuphumula bayofika emsebenzini basese fresh, baphumule bayofika ekhaya basese fresh.